What is up, my people? This is KOJOFOREX, aka GBP Emperor, aka Emperor of Blues. I'm back again on your screens with another exciting content. Today's content is going to really be about, giving you a snippet of the city I live in, which is Dubai. Currently, I'm here. I've been watching the market, trading, basically like living the normal life as any citizen would be living, right? The week has just begun. Today is Tuesday. Still watching the market. Yesterday, I did take a trade, GBP card, right? So what happened with GBP card is it's just been, playing sort of like, a little bit of a dicey games, right? I'm going to show you guys pretty soon with what is happening with GBP card any moment. So resistance here, resistance, came back into my zone, watched out for my confirmation and took this trade just around here, right? My entry was literally around here, right? My stop loss just right above the range. And then this trade has literally moved about, 70 pips. And then what happened? It just went back up like that, right? So currently just like, consolidating, not really giving me like the usual movement that I kind of want from a trade anyway. But we still secured the bag, secured some profit. So you can see what is a live account, and then you can see GBP card sold massively, and then you can also see what some current trades running. Right, we see 20 lot. Yeah, so I've been holding this from yesterday today, right? So basically that's just been like trading aspect, what has been going on with me. The rest is me normally living like any other citizen would, enjoying my life, chilling, calling families, linking up with Rick and Terry, speaking with them, making plans and stuff like that. But this evening there's something that is really bothering me, right? So when we relocated here, I carried my iMac, which I normally would do, right? So my MacBook and my iMac, I don't leave them at all. Like they're almost always with me anytime I go for a long travel, right? But when I got here, I kind of realized that since we're going to be staying for a long time, I needed a complementing Windows computer. And then we went out to the Dubai Mall, the biggest mall in the world, and then we got ourselves a Samsung, right? Samsung one of their newest models. And then basically like I thought it would kill the thing for me, but it's not really like doing it for me. So what I just decided with my wife is that my computers, they mean a lot to me, right? So let me show you. My computers, like with me, my concept about trading, and then my systems that I use in trading, right? When I say my system that I use in trading, I basically mean like my computers, my mobile phone and stuff. It's like your asset for the business. Like imagine that you're let's say a factory worker, right? Or you produce some goods and services in the factory, and then what's the name? You're not using high-tech computers or high-tech equipment, then they're easily going to break down. You're not going to really have that enthusiasm to work. So it's the same with me when it comes to trading and my gadgets. When I started trading, I didn't have like the best of computers. I made sure that every profit that I was making, I was saving it towards purchasing high-end computer. Trust me, you cannot underestimate how important quality mobile phone and computer can be to your trading journey. So since I was not motivated, it was not even giving me that energy and drive to be sitting by the computer and then been trading actively the way I really genuinely want to. So I decided to change my mind, and then spoke to the wifey that we got to game up, right? We gotta up our game. Basically upping our game in that we gotta like take the risk. We gotta like take the cost up and then go buy a new one, right? Nonetheless, the one I bought was very clean. Look at it, guys. This is it, right? It has this tiny remote that it comes with. It's the webcam. You can easily like detach it, right? Very clean, newest model of a Samsung. I think Samsung M8 or something like that, right? It basically has the functionality of a computer plus a TV, right? But I'm not used to this type of systems. You can see the back here, right? Can we see the back? Very slim and thin. It has the whole model look like the iMac, right? Like the newest model of the iMac, right? But I'm not feeling it, right? The whole point is that at the end of the day, I'm not really feeling it. And then I got to satisfy my own desire. I got to like do things that makes me happy, right? So I'm going to change it. But if you want this one, right? If you want this one, then comment below the reason why I should give it to you. I'm going to do a giveaway of this computer. If you want it, comment below. It's a very expensive equipment you're seeing there. Bought about 3,500 dirham, which literally is just about 8,000 to 10,000 Ghana cedis. Very, very expensive. But like I said, I don't really feel the vibe in it. So I'm going to like give it away. So comment below why I should give it to you, right? In the meantime, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go on a short trip to the Dubai Mall, go to the Samsung shop, and then try and purchase the new one. Come set it up, watch the market again, and if there's any opportunity to break down to you, I'm going to do that. So follow up, watch this video to the end. You're going to see how it all ends up. Boom. Our country's currency is flawed. Country's currency. What do you think can attract them? And guys, they're real, by the way. They're not fake, right? They're not animated. They're actually real fishes. That's a shark, baby shark. I literally just posted a picture, yeah? Literally in the same outfit that I am.
You did.
Look at the caption. Can you read it? What the caption say? Read it for me.
I don't want to read it.
Hustle.
Hard, so your children don't say in the future. What was my father doing with his mates for making money?
What do you think my children will say?
My dad was scrapping off all the money from the surface of the earth.
Guys, so we're here.
Sorry. Hi.
Back again. That we have taken the elevator in this mall.
No.
We always take the, I mean, I don't think taking the lift. We always take the elevator, right?
No, it's escalator.
What's the difference between escalator, elevator, lift? Guys, comment below. Tell me the difference. I don't know. Okay, so finally we got our computer delivered, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismantle the other one, pack it back into the box, and then arrange this one. This one is pretty straightforward. This one I have no screws to fix, nothing serious here. So hopefully we are done with this one very fast. It's going to be a long day. So guys, you can see that I'm all set up. We're ready to work properly, guys. We're ready to work properly. So you followed through the journey. You saw me set it up, basically have everything going through from the mall, purchase, and then back home now, right? So I'm just going to work on the other one. I promised to show you guys my perspective on the market briefly. Today we're looking at the pound pairs. Most of them have already dropped. I already told you, right, that I was having a position on GBP card, which is currently still running. Apart from that, we had some run up on Euro, GBP, run down on GBP, JPY, and stuff like that, right? But I'm yet to actually, have a good grasp of my next possible setup that I'll be looking to take a potential trade on, right? I had some small position running on oil as well. You can see from what I've taught you guys, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 is just like reacted in that zone. After that teaser top, right, you can see that we have about 130 pips drop from there. You could have actually capitalized on this move, just the same place that I marked it out, right? So pretty straightforward. It tells you exactly how solid the things that I teach you guys really works, right? So you can see there I already taught you 0.1, 2, and then 3 and then we have it working there, right? Yeah, and guys, and there's another thing, right? So I think that the last time before we traveled to Dubai here, I did an exclusive Instagram live where I told people about how I invest my cryptocurrency, and then that led me to introducing people to my BitStore app, right? So if I have not told you about my BitStore app, this is the first time I'm actually doing that on YouTube, and then you want to really pay attention. This would not be like a full dedicated video. Later I'm going to do a full dedicated video, but this time I'm just going to give you like a brief snippet of what my BitStore is all about. So my BitStore is just like any other exchange, right? So all you want to do is just search my BitStore, right? So MYBITSTORE, my BitStore, right? This is like the web version, right? But I know that these days we all almost used to like using mobile apps. So you want to also download my BitStore app. It's on the Play Store, right? So you can just search my BitStore. I have it downloaded already, right? So you can search from the Play Store, my BitStore, my Bit. Right, so this is it. My BitStore app is here, right? And then you just install it, right? So my BitStore app, I use it also to do my withdrawal transaction from Exness as well, right? So rather than like putting my withdrawals through Skrill, through Neteller, through mobile money, and all those things, I'd literally just push the withdrawal button, and then my money is going to move directly from Exness into my BitStore app, right? And then from there I can sell it and then deposit the money into my bank account. Pretty seamless, right? I had issues when I used to deal with huge capitals and huge withdrawal, balances, and then running it through Skrill and then Neteller. My ordeal with Skrill, I literally let them block me because they were wondering, why are you withdrawing a lot of money? You know how these things can be. So I found a way to circumvent around those issues, which became my means of using the crypto, and then my BitStore solve the whole issue. So look at it right here, right? My BitStore, I highly recommend it for you, right? So check it out. I'll give you more details on it later in subsequent videos as well. Apart from that, you want to also purchase the KOJOFOREX Growth Strategy. If you haven't purchased the KOJOFOREX Growth Strategy, then you're missing out. I'm inviting you to purchase the Growth Strategy so that you can be invited into the Vault Room. I told you guys that we've created a Vault Room where we like almost always printing money. So clicking the link in the description to purchase the course at a discounted rate. The rate is not going to stay like that forever, so take advantage of it now. And also clicking the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community, the biggest community in the whole of Africa. Follow me on all social media at KOJOFOREX. I've already emphasized that I'm currently going to be very active on TikTok as well, so follow me there as well. And then Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, right? Smash the like button if you haven't done that, and subscribe to this channel now if you haven't done it already. So we're currently approaching the 180 subscriber mark. Very soon we're going to hit the 200 mark. That's our target for the year, and then we may even end up surpassing it, right? Which is like a big milestone for us to achieve, right? So without wasting my time, you guys saw it, you enjoyed the content. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.